This is a flush bolt. It operates in such a way to lock the door in the door frame. It comes with 2 bolts. The door handle consists of the handle itself and a central shaft. It is secured with a compact screw. .3D hinges. This screw adjusts the fit of the rubber gasket to the door leaf. And this screw adjusts the height of the door leaf relative to the frame. This entire setup is covered with caps. We're installing the door frame, drilling and screwing in 2 screws on each side. Door frame installation in the doorway. Don't forget to use a bubble level and a laser level. We install the frame into the panel and adjust it using shims. Then drill and screw in the screws. Install the magnetic striker in the door leaf, screwing in 2 bolts. Install the flush bolt. Install 3D concealed hinges. Install the door leaf into the door frame. Secure with 4 screws. Install the magnetic lock on the second door leaf. Install the handle and secure it with screws. Install the door leaf in the door frame. Then, secure the hinges. After that, adjust the hinges. Finally, cover the hinges with caps. Then, drill a hole in the door frame for the flush bolt. Trim to the necessary size before installation. Install the trims into the frame. Install the strike plate.